lie on my feet with my head held high.
We need this. This is the Baseus car charger. What it has is dual USB fast charge, high gloss texture, and both of the USB ends are 3.1A. Here we have some info, you can stop and take a look. Let's open it. Okay. Documentations, which I do not read. We don't need these things here. This is the charger itself. It's super small so that it fits into your car lighter. It is supposed to fit instead of the lighter of the car, and it should be a snug fit, so almost completely inside, or maybe it must go completely inside. This is the finish it has, kind of a carbon fiber finish. Tear off before using, alright. And it should have two LEDs here, which are blue. But we will try that maybe later. Let's peel this thing off. This is it. Here it is. Pretty cool car charger. Simple and clean. Alright, I'll leave a link in the description, and if the link expires, I'll just leave also the name of the product. You can find it in any time on AliExpress. See you around.